fall down, clean up the place all around. Welcome to live well. Welcome to live well. Oh, your food natural.
Welcome to the channel, gardeners. In this episode, guys, I'm just going to show a quick close-up of the onions. I like to do that to show you guys how things are growing, and then once a month I just do a tour so that we can see everything at once, guys. Yeah, so just let me take you along for that. Yes, Yes, gardeners, as you can see, our turbo onions are doing well, guys. The bulbs are starting to swell. Our leaves, our leaves look good. I've had years where our leaves have been all, squashed up and stuff, and looking all wrinkly, and it's had me worried in the past. But these year's onions, you can't complain so far. I believe we've only been here for about 6 weeks, maybe 7 weeks, guys. Really impressed with the progress so far. Here I've got a celery plant that's going into flower, guys. But yeah, the onions this year are doing really well, guys. Like I like to say, how's your onions doing? Let us know which varieties you're growing. I've got the turbo, which was the first set was looking, is these guys here. And here I've got the red barons. And they also seem to be doing okay. Show you a bit of a close-up so you can see the bulbs then firing up. And once you've got nice loose soil, guys, onions don't really need much. Just have to just water them, make sure that they don't dry out, and you should hopefully get some onions, guys. And like I've always, like the red ones always seems to be the first ones to go into flower, but when they do, I just take it off like that, guys, and just allow it to finish off. But so far, onions are doing good. I've got some ones here that's really showing potential of maybe giving us some nice bulbs. Like these turbos ones here. Move the leaves. So like I said, these have only been here maybe for 6 to 7 weeks, I mean to say, guys. And you can see we're doing well. And it's just basically a quick video just to show you guys the progress of our onions. But as we here as well, guys, why not just show you what I've also been doing, with the cucumbers. I was going to allow the cucumbers to run on the floor, guys, but I was thinking, when the paradiddle mildew comes, it's always the ground level it attacks first. So I just thought, yeah, let me just put them up on strings. And I've just basically just put, 2 posts, a bit of wire going across. And in the middle, I've just got something here to try to scare the birds, a bit of plastic bag. But I've just tied the strings down and just allowed the cucumbers to come up. And, we are getting cucumbers, we've got cucumbers here, all over the plant. So we should really, hopefully, if everything goes as is, we should get a bumper crop of cucumbers, or a good amount anyway. And I do like cucumbers because I like to have salads. So I have salads every day. Maybe I'll take a picture, put it in the community page when I do the next one. But yeah, salads, I love them. But what did you think, guys? Did you think it's a better idea putting it up on the string like this? Or do you think it was just better to leave it on the floor? I wanted to leave it on the floor this year, but I just kept thinking in the years past, the paradiddle mildew, like I said, always starts from the ground up. And if everything is on the ground, when he comes and he hits, then we're gonna be out of luck, guys. I don't know if you guys saw the video when I was planting these cucumbers. They were tiny, they were really, really small. And I believe these have only been here for maybe a month now, 3 weeks to a month. We already got big plants, and hopefully a week later we should be, harvesting cucumbers, because these guys grow fast. Here's a nice looking one here. Yeah, they grow real fast, guys. But I just wanted to show a short video, guys, of mostly the onions. But I thought as I just did this earlier on today, maybe I can show you guys that. So these are the cucumbers, you know, growing really well. And guys, you know, if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, or if you've been watching, guys, you know, I appreciate the, you know, the followers, the subscribers, guys. Like I've always said, you guys keeping it channel going. And if you're new here, guys, you know, the first time, subscribe, guys. It's organic gardening, as simple as we can, you know, as simple as we can do it, guys. So on that note, I'd like for me to say, let's live well, guys, you know, and together we grow, guys. See you on the next one. Bless.
Yeah, you live well. Grow your food natural.